Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can add to your Google Authentication your BingX wallet. So here you just want to click on the top left, the little circle there, and the top right, top left, and you want to click on Security Center here, and then you want to click on Google Authentication. You want to enable that, and then here you just click on Next, and then you want to copy this key, then Next. And here make sure you just get the code to enter your verification code, and the key you copied, you want to go to your Google Authenticator and then click on the plus icon, and then you'll see here enter your setup code, and then make sure you paste the code there, and then just click on add, and then there you go. You have now successfully connected your Google Authenticator to your BingX wallet. Just finish off the procedures here by entering the codes, and then you're done. Thanks for watching.